This 2024 Fleetwood Fortis 36Y is a Class A RV. It is located in Wixom, Michigan, 48393 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Fleetwood is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment. This 2024 Fleetwood Fortis 36Y is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.